Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by x. This one by y. So we put this one go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by y and x. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. So y divided by y, 1 divided by y. Next, the integration of number 1, we have y. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of y. And the second one, we do the same. This is the end. Thank you for watching.